Welcome to CPQcart for the hurricane shutter industry. The product is unique enough that the U.S. Patent Office has issued a patent on the product. The goal is to replace describing your project with sufficient questions to automatically provide a quotation. Let's go through a quote cycle. We'll log on. We'll click on this option, this product configuration here. So, this provides the ability to do 3 different window sizes. So for the first one, we'll say we're going to have 3 of them, and we're going to do it by 24 by 5/8 by 36 by 7/8. And quantity of number 2, we'll do 2 of those. We'll do that 48 by 44, and we'll do 1 of 44 by 72. We'll click the update. Intentionally, we're wanting it to throw a message, so it's saying on number 27, you must make a selection to proceed. So we'll click on there. I acknowledge the conditions. Conditions of the quote is non-binding until the site visits confirmation of measurements. I am not a competitor. So acknowledge that. Click the update. And we get a price. We can click on the more info. And we can scroll down and see various other information. We have more info on question number 3, which is on how to measure hurricane shutters. This would be to accommodate people who do not want to have the installation done. From here, we'll click on the final checkout. And we'll click on continue. Continue. Confirm the order. And that will in turn send email to the prospect as well as the site admin. Give it a minute here for the email to come through. So here is the email which is giving the playback of the different options that were selected for that item. And the email also comes through for the user. The product can be set up such that if you have an existing website and you just want to have the quotation ability, then we can have it go to your particular domain name with a prefix on that, and then they in turn can click return back to your main site and to see that. So we thank you very much for your time reviewing. Look forward to talking to you further.